James Gibbons from Clad Hacks, and another great hack is when we're aligning the boards or joining the boards together with the factory finished edges using the flush joints kit. It's always a good idea to keep an eye out for the grain, so we've got the matching grain on both boards. So basically what will that do after the job is complete, it will have a real stylish good look and will make a big difference in the installation. Okay, so the scaffolding is down and the installation has been complete. New fascia, soffits and cladding. And like I said, we kept the wood grain matching, and now you've got your stylish, slick look. Take a look. Okay, so another job complete. Our happy customer just off to Salisbury Bill now to see a customer about cladding and installation.